Hi, so in this video I'm going to talk about how I solved this problem on Leet code. It is a problem called toSum, and the instructions are: given an array of integers, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to a specific target. So in this example, when the integers in the array are 2, 7, 11, and 15, the target is 9. 2 and 7 add up to 9, so the returned numbers should be 0 and 1, which are the indices of 2 and 7. And two precautions in this problem are that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. So initially, this is how I solved this problem. First, I created an integer array called result with a length of 2. Since this method has to return a integer array type variable. And I made a nested for loop, both starting from 0 and looping until the end of the array, as you can see here. And then in the if statement, I wrote that I should not equal j, since you may not use the same element twice, and nums I plus nums j equals target. So this is looping two variables I and j, two index values, are looping around the array starting from 2 ending at 15 to check if any two variables add up to the sum of target, which is 9 in this example. And then if these conditions are satisfied, then I put in I in the first index and j in the second index of the result array. And then at the end, I return the result, and if I run the code, it will give me the correct answer, and the runtime will be 126 milliseconds. So now I thought how I could reduce the runtime. And if you see here, these for loops both run from 0 to the end of the array. However, it just has to run from this for loop has to run from 0 to the end of the array. However, this for loop, it just has to run from after the index I. So if I say that j is I plus 1, then there wouldn't be any condition or situation when I is equal to j. So I could erase that condition. If I run the code, it gives me the correct answer, and if I submit it, the runtime would be 80 milliseconds. That's a lot shorter and faster than the previous solution I gave. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you. Bye.